What's up, YouTube? Alright, I'm here at the Yoda, and guess what? I got some new parts. That's right. This bad boy here, that's new. And so, now that is new. I believe that was the last part that I needed to get this thing going. So, yeah. And so right now, I plugged it in, cranked up, the truck wants to start. It wants to start, but it's not. So I'm almost like thinking the last thing that it could be is maybe the distributor is like out of timing or something, because it's cranked all the way to one side, which is weird. And yeah, it's storming. Yeah. Stormin' Norman. But yeah, it's annoying. And I got 3 of those parts that I just put on today, and so that one is good. I got fuel pressure with that one, so it's solid. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a minute. See, I hooked up that inline spark tester there, and it was bright, nice and bright. And so you see that's what I'm thinking is like why it's not starting. But just want to be sure, I'm like a student here learning. So this has been quite the little project to learn on. And so far everything I've put in has shown me a positive result in the right direction. So, yep. Just a second, guys, and I'll show you something pretty cool in a second. Hey, I am back, and check it out. I got myself an Autel AL539. And yeah, and also, if you've seen this, you're going to want to get some test leads. I got this one here, and like these alligator clips, they come off, and then you got probes, and yeah, it's a neat little set. I think it was only like $8 off of eBay. So yeah, I got that. And then also on when I got that part, this one that's installed on my truck right now, I made a deal with the eBay seller, and there's quite a few eBay sellers that you can make deals with. You just send them a message and say, hey, I would like this, this, and this, and this. What kind of deal can you give me? And then they will tell you. So yeah, I got myself a pretty sweet deal. I was able to get this distributor, this, and these 2 sensors for $150. And local junkyard, they wanted $150 for this alone, and they wouldn't budge at all. Like straight Nazis. Like, no. They're just like assholes. Like that's I don't like local junkyards unless I'm going in there and just getting some stuff to put in my hands or in my pocket and go. Like some nuts and bolts and some relays. Those are freebies basically too. They just let me go, show them what I got in my pocket, and they just say, "Thanks, see ya," because I give them a couple bucks when I go through the door, and nobody else does that, but I do. I know they don't put in the cash register, so they're cool with me, and I'm cool with them. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.